Wonder high-speed digital printing inline. Line live at Asacontier box plant. Traditional process. Printing, slotting, die cutting. Stacking separate machines. Multiple operators, repeated handling. Wonder's digital line. Modular and flexible. Frontage feeding. Pre-coat with drying. Digital print with drying. Varnish with drying. Slotting and die cutting, non-stop stacking. Step by step. 1. Front edge feeder. Automatic continuous feeding. 2. Pre-coat and drying, better ink adhesion. 3. Digital printing, 1200 dpi. Up to 150 meters per minute. 4. Varnish and drying. Waterproof and wear resistant. 5. Slotting and die cutting. 1 pass to form the box. 6. Non-stop stacking. Automatic jogging and piling. From feeding to finished output, all processes are integrated in one line. Only 1-2 operators needed. Save labor, time and material handling. Faster order delivery. Live factory footage, no edits. No speed up. Contact us for the complete line solution.